What's up, GIA?
My favorite thing about GIA is like being able to meet all the new people, and they're all like crazy chill and stuff.
Like even us? No,
not you two. Not you two.
I really enjoyed GIA, and I think my favorite part was overall experiencing something that was completely out of my comfort zone. And I just find that really nice to try new things.
My favorite part of GIA was getting to like meet so many great people and making so many friends, and also my film class because it was really fun.
The slang that they made up, which was so fire.
For example, we got some internal external PS5, my guy. That means that's fire.
And then we have like fish spelled PHISH, which is not good.
And we also got my personal favorite, DVD, which means that something's made. Although anything here is not made, you know.
Everything at GIA is not made.
I think that my favorite part of GIA was probably Beck's song on the second night of the staff shows, because that was just kind of insane, and the lighting was really cool. I also really liked DJing because I was really proud of myself for that actually, because I literally put that together in like 2 days.
I went to GIV last year, but it always surprises me. It surprises me how nice everyone is, and like how you can just go up to people and compliment them.
My favorite part of GIA was and is the incredible community and meeting all the really cool people who came here, who can do all sorts of awesome things.
So I was gonna say that like GIA is really cool, and that you should most definitely apply, because this place is awesome and you will make friends. And I came here first thing, I wasn't gonna make new friends because I didn't need new friends, but I made one of the best communities I've ever made, and I feel safe and happy, and I love it here, and I don't want to leave.
And my favorite part of GIA was making the best new friends ever I made in my whole life. Me.
Beck's class.
The RAs.
Nice.
Yeah, okay. I love the RAs.
I felt really fulfilled both artistically and community-wise, and I really loved my students. They were the sweetest little babies ever.
My favorite thing about GIA was my scene work class and hanging out with all of my friends and devising an original play and also performing it. It was really fun.
My favorite thing at GIA was Bollywood dance, and dinner and meal times were really funny.
My favorite part was talking to all these lovely people. Yep. Everybody let me into their dorm. Yes, everybody's so kind, and even if I did the weirdest thing ever, like to smell people, touch their toes,
lick them,
do everything like that, they still talk to me. So yeah.
I love the RAs, I love the faculty, I love you all, I love it here. I hate that I'm leaving. Mwah.
I didn't expect either. I expected it to be a little more intense.
That's okay.
It's very chill. And very fun.
What was your favorite thing about GIA 2025?
Toussaint.
Oh hey, let me just train.
Guys, come in more.
Favorite thing, watching the students blossom. Watching them go from terrified to fantastic.
I would say my favorite experience from GIA, no, it doesn't have to be that close, is like hanging out in our dorm with all of you guys. And there's our RA. Woo, we love a lot.
My favorite thing about GIA was probably the amount of friends that I made and all the friends that I didn't expect I'd actually be able to make.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Another really cool thing I did here is people thought I didn't shower because I come back to my dorm with paint on me every day, and I just like to clarify that now. I did shower every night. I didn't wash my hair every night, but I did shower every night. So no, I did not leave paint on me for weeks.
Why am I being abused?
I before wanted to become an animator, but now since I'm in comics, I found a love for comics. Probably
Meeting Sophia, meeting Ollie, meeting my friends, meeting Jada,
Tell them about what I ate.
No, Jada.
The garlic Alfredo on top of the brownie.
My favorite thing at GIA, I am. At GIA was meeting new people.
Shout out to Shawnee.
My favorite thing about GIA 2025, in addition to the Chinese food I had last night, was seeing you guys in the wings and seeing your nervous energy turn into just regular energy, like powerful energy. I forgot this was a video. I'm teaching right now.
I really enjoyed getting to try a class that I didn't think I would ever get to learn about, which was stained glass.
Is your piece out there?
My piece is out there. I don't know, it's cool that I got to learn about it because it's something I probably wouldn't get a chance to learn outside of this camp.
I also really liked making my original character into a plushie, making him come to life.
Wait, can we get him to show the camera? No, we're allowed to touch him.
The camera. Thank you. Go put him back now.
My favorite part was making friends and being in a film class.
My favorite part was probably writing music. I haven't really done that before, so.
Drink your water, and I guess if you come here, don't be surprised you have to go to bed at 10:30.
10:30 lights out.
10:30 lights out is always a toughie.
Oh my god, wait, it was never a toughie for me until this year.
My favorite part of GIA was when Abby got stuck up in our closet. Or the shower swimming incident. If you know, you know.
Oh my god, wait, it was 5 minutes to lights out when I got stuck too.
Yeah, that was the best.
Meeting a lot of people with similar interests to myself and just creating a lot of wonderful things, I would say.
Meeting so many people, I guess the weird became the new normal, I guess.
Oh, should we rap for them?
Yeah.
Wait, it's not bad.
I really liked soft sculptures and puppets. Those are my two classes. I really liked the classes. But I gotta say, I really, really liked the faculty shows. I don't know, it's just knowing that these are the people that are teaching us and they're just so awesome and cool is like, that was really cool to me.
Okay, got it. My favorite thing I did at GIA was the GIA rave, because raves are fun and my voice is shot.
I guess I didn't expect to improve as much as I did. I mean, my classes really helped me with learning how to create and stuff like that.
Meeting new friends and performing on stage was best. It was really fun, and just getting to know people. I mean, yeah.
I love to see how everyone expressed themselves and supported each other in the community. It was so beautiful, and I really wish that our whole society could be that way.
Well, how low can I go? Oh, great. That's so low. Okay.
Mine was meeting new people and all my classes and the lovely teachers that I had.
Well, I feel like you all kind of had to mesh in a way that you weren't expecting, and you brought every little facet of each of your talents together in a way that I'm like, that dance was incredible. I was in the wings, I was like, the whole time I was like, let's go, that's my crew. And I'm so proud of you, and you all showed up for each other in such a beautiful way, and I'm so proud.
Bug? You have a bug? You have bugs? You want to show your bug? You can show your bug. Just got a bug.
Just go for whatever you feel like you're most comfortable with and do what you please. And don't let anyone judge you because you are amazing.
Do what you want because people aren't going to tell you no. People aren't going to tell you can't do that because that's weird. Because everyone here is weird. Everyone here is gay and weird, which is a great thing.
Don't be afraid of making bad art, because there's no such thing as bad art. Just give it your all, try your best, and yeah.
Hi! I took a poetry class here with Toussaint, and I wrote the most poems I ever wrote in 2 years in the past 2 weeks, and that was really, really fun to do, and got everyone was so supportive of it.
Hello, hi camera. This has been a great institute, a lot of fun.
Getting to talk to people about
the art that I like, because back where I am, not a lot of people who are interested in it and really into it. So coming up here and finding people who are interested in being able to actually talk to them about it was really helpful.
I think mine was meeting passionate people who are like-minded to me, and they're all very passionate about their art, and it was amazing to be surrounded by a community full of those people.
Okay, so I really didn't expect that I would end up choreographing my own dance, and I also edited a song and put it all together in the past 2 weeks, and I made so many friends, created so much art, and met so many incredible human beings.
My favorite part of GIA is probably meeting new people and Vic's class, filmmaking class.
I feel like I've had the most creative flow while being here, and people are pretty dope too. Like these guys, they're pretty cool.
My favorite part was going to Gabby's therapy workshop, making these 2 friends, and actually making a bunch of friends, and learning how to sew better.
My favorite thing at GIA was probably the unlimited chocolate milk and watching Kuba try to hang Mac during Werewolf.
My favorite part of GIV was making all these Sigma friends. Stop!
I kind of thought I wouldn't make that many friends. Yeah, I was gonna say, I didn't make friends. I was like, oh, I'm kind of worried about if I'm gonna make friends. And
I did. Yeah. I hope everybody enjoyed GIV, and I hope everybody who got sick is feeling better.
I hope the students really liberate themselves from their experience here at GIA, and I hope they bring liberation and freedom and transformation back to their communities as we need it now.
I love the RA team, and I love getting to interact with students every day who are learning and growing and inspiring me to learn and grow.
Just hanging around the friends that I made and knowing that we're going to continue to be friends after GIA.
It's awesome here in this community is absolutely amazing, and GIA will love and support you with their all.
Everyone here is awesome! Yeah!
Go to GIV, it'll change literally everything. And cut!
Thank you!
Bye-bye.
Go to GIV.
He said press the record button. What button's the record button? How do I turn this off?